I'm back, everybody. ¿So escucharles? Ya próbam to escucharlas, no już escuchas. Okay. Ja. No. Aksha. Okay. You'll remember all the games in progress and stuff that we were looking at, okay? Alright. A lot of the games are now final. We'll give you the final scores first and then the games in progress right now. There is a score that in the games in progress I know the Israelis will love. Yes. And I'm dedicating that one to them. To all of you. To all my Israeli viewers out there. But first, let's do those final scores. Here we go. I'm just gonna read them off first in Hebrew, then in English. Shalosh Echad 15 Shalosh 52 11 6 4 0 8 5 5 1 6 3 5 4 9 1 2 1 11 2 8 6. That is in English now. 3-1, 15-3. Yes, that is the baseball final, 15-3. 5-2, 11-6, 4-0, 8-5, 5-1, 6-3, 5-4, 9-1, 2-1, 11-2, 8-6. Now, here are your games in progress. There's a game in the 7th inning. The Giants are beating the Marlins 4-2. In fact, both games are in the 7th inning. We have the Giants beating the Marlins 4-2. That is Arbach time. Now the Giants beating the Marlins Arbach time 4-2. The game that I'm currently watching is the Rockies and the Dodgers. They are also in the 7th inning. And this is the game I'm dedicated to Israelis. I think you all can guess the scores right now in that game. Shalosh Yep, it's all tied up at 3. Shalosh. That is why I'm dedicating that game, at least as it stands right now, to my Israeli listeners. Of course, on Israelis, they can't get enough of that kind of dedication. Y'all know it's gonna be what's going down next Monday. Continuation of what I think is probably the best game this season. At least as far as if I'm going to dedicate a game to the Israelis. That game's from April 28th. We are now on August 20th. Score in that game is still Shalosh! It was suspended by rain. Shalosh after 11 innings. And it's going to resume on Monday, August 25th. Start of a game series between the Orioles and the White Sox. That will also be dedicated to my Israeli listeners. That continuation. And of course I dedicate the April 28th game to, the original Shalosh. game to them too, because I know they like these kind of movies. So, that game I dedicate to them, and the one coming up on Monday. So, the original. But of course, we're not talking about those games yet. We're talking about the Rockets and the Dodgers. Right now in the 7th inning. Shallow. Let's see what's happening in this game. It's so shallow. Ken! Let's see how this game became shallow. Okay. It looks like the Dodgers got shallow first. Yep. Bottom of the first, Kemp signaled to right, Pierre scored. Echat. Bottom of the second. Ardoin safe at first and shortstop, Tulowitzki's fielding error. Garcia Bada and Martin scored. Chat, Stein, Shalosh. Alright. And then that was it for the Dodgers scoring. And here come the Rockies. Top of the fourth. Tulowitzki homer to deep center. Echat. Top of the fifth. Hop safe at first on first baseman Blake's fielding error. Quintanilla scored. Taveras to third. Holiday to second. Echat. Stein. Finally, top of the seventh. Hop single to center. Taveras scored. Holiday to third. Chat. Stein. Shallow. So, again, shadows, and we'll see what happens in that game. Alright. Now, just for clarification purposes, I'm going to go back to the finals again. I was kind of hurrying through, so just to make sure the score didn't change in the Dodgers game before I could get to it, you know what I mean? Because, okay, once I was listening to Highlights last night, and I was watching baseball time. Like, okay, I was just starting to listen to Highlights last night. All of a sudden, I look at the baseball scores, and there's Chat, Stein, Shalosh games. Not only with Shalosh Fischetti, not only with Shalosh in the score, but guess what the score was? The score in the Dodgers Rockies game right now. Shalosh. So I'm thinking, oh my god, I'm gonna play Highlights last night. I'm gonna go each game. Well, first one I was watching was Shalosh. That one worked. Because there are 6 Shaloshes, 6 crazy Shaloshes in Halala. So, yeah. But, so. First one worked perfectly. As the first chorus is ending, I'm about to jump over to the second game. That second game goes Arva Shalosh. I'm like, no! And then, of course, I still go over to the second game. We're not even until the fourth Shalosh, which is the really crazy Shalosh. And the third game goes Arva Shalosh. And I'm like, I don't play that. Only one of them, cooperated with me. And no, that did not happen on April 28th, too. Okay. Up. That's it. That's the end of the 7th inning with the score still Shalosh for the Dodgers and Rockies. Alright. This recording's about to end, so I'm just going to let this one go. And then the next recording, I'm going to go back and go through the finals again. Like I was saying, I was hurrying to get to the Dodgers-Rockies game before, something happened. It was Arva Shalosh. Now I have more time to just go back and since I'm announced the Dodgers Rockies score, I can now go back to all the finals. Go through all the finals. Not have to worry about okay. So this recording at the end. There's gonna be another one coming right up. Hey, the broadcast is not ending. Just the recording I'm doing. Now I'm gonna start a new recording. Okay, I'm still broadcasting though, so